Ever wondered how much it really costs to protect your small business with insurance? Is it a few bucks a month or a major expense you need to plan for? Let's break it down in simple, clear terms so you know exactly what to expect. Check out the link in the description box below. The cost of small business insurance in the U.S. can vary depending on a few key factors, like your industry, number of employees, location, and the type of coverage you need. Here's a quick breakdown of average monthly costs for the most common policies. General liability insurance. This is the most basic coverage. On average, it costs $30 to $60 per month. Professional liability, great for service-based businesses. Expect around $50 to $100 per month. Commercial property insurance. If you own or rent a space, this can cost $60 to $120 per month, depending on property value. Business owner's policy, BOP, a bundled plan combining liability and property, typically $80 to $150 per month. Workers' compensation. If you have employees, you'll likely pay 75 cents to $2 per $100 of payroll. Remember, these are just estimates. Your actual cost could be higher or lower based on your business risk, claims history, and coverage limits. So, is business insurance expensive? Not really, especially when you consider the protection it offers. One claim could cost thousands. Insurance gives you peace of mind at a predictable monthly price. Need help finding the right policy? One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.